Welcome to DreamGIS. After a long time, we return with a new video. Today, we will learn how to download village level SHP file from Survey of India. First, open a web browser and search for Survey of India digital products. Then, click on the first link. The online map portal is now open. After this, we need to log in on this portal. If you do not have a account in this portal, you can watch my previous video. I will give the link in description. After successfully login, you can see a lots of data is available here. From here, you can download open series topographical map, village boundary and different types of maps. Now we download village level SHP file. So at first change the format to SHP file. Then click in village boundary database. Once you done this view will appear. You can see the price of file is rupees 0, means it is free. Now click on buy. After that, select your respective state. After that, select your respective district. Now click on add to cart. Here you can add more item by click on add more item or click on view cart to complete remaining process. Now click on place order, then click on I agree. Now click on proceed to download. After that, click on request. Now click on generate download link and finally click on download and your data will start to download. After download was completed, extract zip file in your respective folder. Now open QGIS software and add downloaded SHP file. You can see the village level SHP file of Bankura district. If you search information of a village or mouza, you can see the name of village, block and others information. You also can see detailed attribute table where you can see the village name, block name, village area, etc. Using this village level map, you will able to create your panchayat map also. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.